'cause it came from you. And then I open up and see the person from where here is me, a different way to be. Impossible to ignore, impossible to ignore. They'll come true, impossible not to do, impossible not to do. And now I tell you openly, you have my heart, so don't hurt me for what I couldn't find. Talk to me, amazing mind, so understanding and so kind. You're everything to me. My life is changing every day.